With the objective of evaluating and validating the previously designed trolley for the front-end structure, Salient's non-active prototypes are mounted on a specially designed test trolley, which is being validated through frontal crash test at IDIADA. Crash testing and evaluation of critical scenarios for the active front-end structure prototypes will occur at a later date at CDAUT's laboratory using this IDIADA design trolley.
The performance of the front-end structure will be validated by correlating the virtual crash simulations from previous work package with the results from the different tests performed during the project. These findings help us evaluate the overall safety of our new lightweight vehicle, especially its compatibility when interacting with vehicles of different masses.